brand new BraunAbility Chrysler Pacifica, and it's equipped with an all-power XT fold-out conversion. Come with me while I show you some features. Some of the key benefits and features to the XT fold-out when equipped with the Chrysler Pacifica. On a fold-out ramp, you're going to get a 2-inch safety guardrail. Still able to accommodate most power and manual wheelchairs. With manual wheelchairs, the guard on the side of the wheel and its height is the only concern when looking into a fold-out conversion and having a 2-inch safety guardrail. When entering into the vehicle, you're going to have 32 inches of door entry. Your ramp is 30 inches wide, and your height is 57 inches. That is the industry leader on an XT power fold-out when equipped with the Chrysler Pacifica. Once inside the vehicle, the BraunAbility Chrysler Pacifica, when equipped with the XT fold-out conversion, is going to give you some of the industry's largest interior space. How much? 64 inches. With the doors closed, 71 inches from the back of the front row to the front of the third row. As always, your BraunAbility product, when equipped with the XT and the XI conversions, is going to give you this convenient and comfortable step for your third row passengers. This step can be folded out very simply for your continued ease of access in and out of the vehicle. And as always, BraunAbility is going to provide you with state-of-the-art safety retractable systems to secure your wheelchair in the best position. And don't forget that 3-point harness seatbelt system to keep your wheelchair passengers safe. For more information, contact Jerry's Mobility today.